How to make perfectly clear ice cubes at home. First you'll need a small drinks cooler without the lid, a bread knife, a silicone ice cube tray, a pair of scissors, and a rolling pin or mallet. First you're going to have to remove that lid. Now for perfect clarity you want to poke holes in your ice cube tray, but this isn't completely necessary. Next, wedge the ice cube tray halfway up the cooler with room for water below. Fill the cooler with boiled water to just about submerge that tray. Now put it in the freezer for 24 to 36 hours. Normally, water freezes from the outside inwards and that traps gases in the centre, but when the lidless cooler, water freezes from the top down and pushes all the gases to the bottom. There we go. You want to leave that ice to soften for 20 to 30 minutes. Sounds weird, it works. Carefully use the bread knife to cut into the ice on each side, and then lightly tap the knife with the rolling pin or mallet until the ice splits. This should leave you with a tray of perfectly clear, perfectly square ice cubes. Clear ice doesn't just look cooler, it also sounds better, tastes nicer, and melts slower. Separate the rest of the clear ice from the cloudy section and make yourself some funky shapes. Enjoy your clear ice responsibly.